In the fast-changing world of artificial intelligence, new open-source text-to-speech (TTS) models have made a big difference. One model getting a lot of attention is chatTTS. It is a strong and flexible tool that is changing how we use digital speech. With its great features and growing support from the community, chatTTS is becoming very popular with developers, content creators, and anyone who wants to make their audio more expressive. Starting with chatTS is easy. By following a few simple steps, you can quickly set up this powerful tool on your computer. First, go to the chatTTS GitHub page and copy the repository using the provided URL. After that, go to the project folder and install the needed files by running the command. Clone the GitHub repository locally in your PC. Pip install R requirements, txt. With the setup complete, it's time to dive into the core functionality of chatTTS. The GitHub repository provides a basic example that you can use as a starting point. Simply copy the provided code, paste it into your preferred code editor, and run the script. You'll be greeted with a simple audio output that showcases the basic capabilities of the model. But the true power of chatTTS lies in its advanced features. The repository offers examples of how to incorporate emotional elements, such as laughter and pauses, into your text-to-speech output. By leveraging these capabilities, you can create more natural and expressive speech that captivates your audience. To make your chatTTS experience even better, you can connect it with open-source language models like Llama. By using chatTTS text-to-speech abilities with Llama's natural language processing, you can do a lot more. You can create personalized audio responses, add emotions to your content, or even make interactive voice assistants. The possibilities are endless. While chatTTS is an impressive open-source TTS model, it's important to be mindful of its limitations. The model is not optimized for real-time speech-to-speech applications due to its computational demands. Additionally, the lack of control over the voice output can be a challenge, as the model may generate unexpected or undesirable voices. However, these limitations are common in the early stages of open-source AI development, and we can expect continued improvements and refinements in the future.